So guys, I am with Aryan. He is
Hi.
the store manager. He takes care of the store here. Again, I'm not going to tell the name of the wine store just yet. I will tell you all at the end of the video. But he's going to just let us know what are the prices like, and we'll reveal some more information. Okay, Aryan, thanks a lot, bro.
Yeah.
So, what can you tell our viewers? Like, let's start with vodka. So these are the
These are the
Vodkas,
imported
right?
brands all over here.
these are all the imported brands.
Yeah, and these are like local brands. Even these are imported over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I want to know the prices of these, so Smirnoff, let's start with Jamun.
Yeah, it's like in the low budget, it's one of the best.
Right,
affordable.
right,
Everyone
right.
go for this.
Okay, and how much would this cost me?
It's a 700.
700, and this is all
Yeah.
70 to 50 ml.
Yeah, it's a 750.
700 bucks for this Jamun. Okay. So if I take any one from like this mango mirchi is also new.
Yeah, it's like both
Right.
all are same price. It's
So this
all-
is also 750
Yeah.
mango mirchi. Okay. So mostly all Smirnoff will be in that same range.
Yeah, but this one it goes very quickly.
This one,
Yeah,
Jamun,
this one,
it's
like,
very good,
yeah,
fast running, huh?
Yeah, it's going
So
fast.
guys, 750 bucks, 750 INR. Again, I will tell you all where I'm at right now, but this is what you'll need to grab. But of course, there are some more vodkas as well here.
Even
What
these,
is-
these are like it's a short story. It's the local
Short
gin,
story.
it's a vodka.
Short story.
Even we have gin and
Okay.
rum also.
Right,
Same
and
brand.
what is the price, sir?
So like 700.
700, huh?
So it's a 900. Sorry.
900.
Yes,
Guys, again, the
900.
price is 900, 750 ml. Short story, local brand. Do
And
try the
even
vodka.
Resolute Pink vodka. It's a local brand. It's a like
Resolute
and
Pink.
It's going very fast.
I like the packing, yeah, bro. This is a good
Yeah,
packing actually.
yeah.
And it's going very fast.
Yeah, it's going very
And how
fast.
much is this, Murray?
850.
850.
Yeah.
Guys, if you all are listening to the prices, 750 ml, 850 rupees, 800 rupees, 750 rupees. This is crazy, yeah.
Yeah, and it's like low budget vodka. And
Okay.
The one who tried the first time, they took it like 2-3 bottles at least.
Nice,
They're
Aryan.
coming, like, they love
Thank
their
you.
taste.
Okay,
And the
awesome.
flavor.
Awesome. Now, these are some. I've heard about the spirit of Kashmir
Yeah,
also.
it's a Kashmir. It's a Kashmir Indian, like it's a saffron vodka.
Okay, saffron vodka. And how much is this for
For
750?
3,200.
3,200. Because
Yeah.
this is more on the expensive side.
Yeah, expensive.
Okay, 3,200 is good.
Yeah.
3,200
Even the vodka
rupees.
is better.
Which one?
This one, even the vodka
Okay.
is good.
Okay. Okay.
Among the price range. Good.
So these are all, but your fast selling is the Smirnoff.
Yes, no, even the Resolute it goes
Resolute
very fast.
vodka.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's why
awesome.
we have cooked much variety of this, like
Okay.
much quantity of this.
Right. Right.
That's
Awesome.
why.
So can you show us Absolute?
Yeah, absolutely. Over there. It's like,
Okay, there are different flavors. I think
Yeah.
Absolute vodkas will have means one price only, right?
No.
No, it's
like
different.
like
Okay.
100, like 150 bucks. Like there is a MRP over here.
Okay.
Everyone, like,
So Absolute Lime is going to cost you 2,375.
Except the regular one, all are same.
Okay, so this is 2,375.
Yeah, all even the all
Yes.
flavors are same.
So the other ones as well, which is saffron,
It's a citron, it's
Citron,
a lime,
lime,
grapefruit, some mandarin, and raspberry.
raspberry. All is 2,375 rupees for
And
750
the
ml.
regular one is for 2120.
This is for 2120. Again, 2120, guys. This is the regular vodka for Absolute. Again, this is lime, which is again for 2375. The prices are definitely. Has it dropped down, bro?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So I want the customers to come to your shop. Of course, I will reveal this shop name in the
Yeah.
end of the video. What else can you show us around, bro?
Like even
Let's
you can
go to-
for any of gin over
Okay.
here. So for we can go for brandy. These are brandy and cognac.
The brandy and
Yeah.
okay.
So
So which is
this
fast selling brandy, bro?
brandy basically like it's in a high range, but everyone go for like cheap kind of brand.
Okay.
Like low, so it's a Morpheus.
Oh,
There
nice.
is-
It's a Morpheus.
Yeah,
Okay.
Morpheus blue. Like in a
Blue
low
brandy.
price,
Okay.
everyone go for.
And how much
like-
is this for?
That's for 900.
900.
Yeah.
Damn good, yeah.
Yeah, and these are like
These are the most expensive.
premium one, and this is the one of the expensive and
This one.
costliest in like right now in our store.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like
And
3,10,000.
3,10,000.
Yeah, and this is made up of gold.
And this is gold in
Yeah.
actual gold.
Yeah, actual gold. It's and this bottle like it's capped with actual gold.
Guys, this is actual gold. 3 lakhs.
Yeah.
I feel scared in touching this bottle
there's
also.
MRP over here. Yeah, there'll be MRP over somewhere.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's over here.
Okay, okay, guys. If y'all can afford it, yeah, please go ahead and take this. This is Louis the 13th.
Yeah. Louis
Okay,
XIII.
brandy, right?
Yeah, it's a brand.
Crazy brandy, and of course you'll have many brandies as well.
Yeah,
What
even
about this one?
Like, yeah.
This is called the Muco
Yeah, it's a cognac.
Cognac brandy. And how much is this, sir, for?
For like 9,800.
9,800 for 750 ml.
Yeah.
This is also good actually. People who are brandy lovers would love to have brandy.
Yeah.
During the cold season and all, it's very good actually.
Only the one who love brandy. Not everyone go for brandy.
Yes.
Commonly they go for mention as honeybee, like local
Right,
people from
right,
here.
right.
The one who premium, the one who it's like high
Okay.
level, they go for any of this.
And so in gin, what can you show us?
Yeah, and these are gin over here.
These are all the gins.
These all are Indian,
Okay.
and these all are imported.
So these are all Indian. I like this. This look is good. Punk
it's a
gin.
Punk gin. It's a local gin.
It's a local gin, okay?
It's a
Punk
greater than
gin.
Goan brand.
Oh, nice. And it's a
Yeah.
strawberry flavor.
Yeah, it's
And
a
how much is
strawberry.
this for?
1450.
1450.
Yeah, it's a 1450.
1450. 1,450 rupees.
Yeah.
You're getting a gin bottle. Amazing. And these are all the local brands here.
Yeah, so these all are local over here. Like these all are greater than only.
Okay.
Like different flavors. So
Right.
broken bed. So aged gin.
Aged
Basically
gin.
gin are not
Right.
aged, but this is.
Right,
And
right.
it's like coffee. No sleeve is like coffee, and it's like regular one.
Nice, nice.
That's
Okay,
it.
so this is another gin here. Says
The
Kumaun Dry Gin, which is again 1,700 ml.
Yeah, it's
And this
like-
is going to cost you around 2,986. So you have a variety of gins here
Yeah.
in local and international. So if people come to take an international gin, what do they usually buy?
They
Aryan?
usually go for Tanqueray.
Tanqueray.
Hendrix.
Okay, let's look at this. So this is Tanqueray Malacca distilled gin,
Yeah.
and this is for 2,700
Yeah,
only.
Yeah.
Guys, again,
It's a
meet
affordable
Aryan
and the
here.
imported one.
2,700 imported gin, guys. If you all want to take 700 ml, again, guys, watch till the end of the video. I'll reveal the shop only at the end of the video. And this beautiful gin right here,
It's a Hendrix over here.
Hendrix.
It's a, even that's a imported.
These are all imported gin.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Scotland.
So let's look at one of the Hendrix. If I drop the bottle, I will pay for it, guys. Anyways, so this is going to cost me
It's a 5,200.
5,200 Hendrix Neptuna gin.
Neptuna
I think
is,
most of the prices are same for Hendrix, right?
Yeah. No, like it's
Okay.
a huge difference. Like this is the one of the best among
Is it?
all four of
Okay, okay, nice.
And this is like the regular one.
That's the regular one.
Yeah.
Okay, Aryan, you're giving a lot of information. So this is the gin section. If people love the gin, they can come to the gin section. What else do we know?
There's a like Cherrapunji gin it's over here.
Is it?
I don't know if you have or
Cherrapunji.
Yeah, it's a
Yes.
copper bottle. It's not a glass bottle.
Oh, it's a copper bottle.
Yeah, it's a copper
Guys, this
bottle.
is actually a copper bottle.
Yeah, and it's a reusable bottle. So,
So
basically
cool.
You can just reuse this bottle.
Cherrapunji gin.
Yeah, and
Okay.
this is, like among all this, it's a fast selling.
This is the fast selling.
Yeah.
And how much is this for? This says
2,900.
2,900. Not
Yeah.
bad in a copper bottle.
Yeah, and in the taste also it's too good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like it's not a flavor or it's not a like botanic.
Yeah.
It's a full environmental taste.
Super.
Yeah, it's the Cherrapunji estate, so
Exactly.
from there,
And the
yeah.
bottle looks very fancy.
When they had the launch newly this one. We
Oh,
had
this
just-
is another Cherrapunji.
So we have just left one bottle.
Okay,
and
this is
just-
says Shillong berries.
Yeah, same.
So it's a different flavor,
Yeah.
but same price.
No, not the same.
This
price,
is not the
like
same price. Let's see the
3,500.
price. Okay, guys, 3,500, 750 ml.
Yeah.
That's 2,900 for Cherrapunji. Guys, if you all want to try Cherrapunji gin, this is the store to come to. We have even something called Chambal.
Yeah.
Oh god, this is like the Dakus of Chambal. Like, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks a lot. Aryan, what else can you show us? Sorry, Aryan, so tell me something about the local Goan Fenny, bro. We want our customers to,
Yeah, these all are like it's
These
a
are all
Fennies only.
awesome.
Yeah, these all are Fennies.
So, which is your fastest selling Fenny? What about
It's a Donna Maria.
Donna
It's a
Maria?
Caju Fenny.
Donna Maria is a Caju Fenny.
Yeah.
And how many ml? 750?
750 ml, yeah.
And how
this
much?
for 600.
600 rupees
Yeah, that's for
only.
600, yeah.
I can't believe it. 600 rupees may you're getting Caju Fenny and such a lovely bottle as well. Guys, look at the packaging. Please, you all should try the local Goa Fenny. What else? I heard about Tito as well. Tinto.
Tinto, yeah, even Tinto is good. They recently launched something new flavors
Okay.
like Ganjan, Dungshiri, Kodmir.
Yes, Dunshari, Ganjan, Kothmir.
It's a local name.
I think
so
this is the
it's a
regular one,
coconut.
which is the coconut, which is
Yeah.
900 rupees. Guys, again, this is 900 rupees, 500 ml. If you love Fenny, this is the spot that you need to pick your pennies. And these are the
Like
also
classic
all
one. It's
classic
like
ones.
this one is like.
Oh wow,
classic.
there is a ship inside.
Yeah, it's
This
a
is cool.
It's
Guys,
a
dekho
gold
yaar.
treasure.
There is a ship inside this local penny. Wow, wow, amazing.
It's a handcrafted one.
Handcrafted.
Yeah.
And how much would this cost?
1500.
1500.
Yeah.
Not bad. You
Yeah.
can drink as also can keep it as a showpiece.
Yeah, you can just feel
Superb.
something you and you want.
Really good. So this is done with the Fennies. I have noticed that in your liquors you'll have Jägermeister as well as Cabo. Cabo is your local.
Yeah, Cabo is the local and like fast selling. Everyone go for it. And
Right.
Cabo is like you find in Goa only.
Right,
outside
exactly.
Goa.
And how much would a Cabo 750 cost me here?
Just 900.
900
Yeah.
rupees. Guys, 900 rupees you can get a nice Cabo bottle. Okay, it's a
Yeah,
liquor.
Same like Malibu. Like
Same like
everyone
Malibu.
will know about Malibu.
Yes.
It's just a Cabo version of the imported one.
Yes.
It will cost you 2,400.
2,400 for a
Yeah.
Malibu.
Yeah.
But it will just cost me 900 to take
Yeah.
a Cabo.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Like both are same.
Right,
Made up of
exactly.
Coconut only, but just
Right.
it's imported. That's why it's high.
Oh, that's cool, yeah. That's cool. And what about Jägermeister? a lot of
Like-
people like to buy
Yeah,
Jägermeister.
Jägermeister. Like these both are same. Nothing is different.
Okay, and the pricing?
Pricing is like 3,285.
3,285. Again, 750 ml.
Yeah, it's a 7.
750 ml, guys. I mean, you can get a Jägermeister so cheap than in the UK. And these are all different types of liquors.
Yeah, these are like
That can
these
be
all
used as
are,
cocktails?
Yeah, cocktails or even you can directly have a shot.
Or directly have a shot.
Yeah. These
Awesome.
are cream liquors, so directly
Wow,
you can
these are
have
cream
it, or
liquors,
else you
yeah.
can put in ice cream, fruit salad, anything.
Right. Awesome, Aryan, you're so informative, yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Really nice. Nice of you. Okay. So, Aryan, let's go on top and see
Yeah.
what else can we show. Maybe more whiskeys
Yeah, we can go more
and all that. Yeah, cool. Thanks. So, guys, Aryan is going to show us today something about whiskeys. Okay, let's see the variety of whiskeys that they have at their store. We'll start with the locals. I think these are the most local ones, right, Aryan?
Locals are way only like this.
Okay.
So these
okay.
all are like local.
So these are all single malt
Yeah.
that I'm seeing right now. So Solan Gold Indian single malt whiskey will cost me 3,200 rupees for 750 ml. Doab is another single malt whiskey which is costing 3,150. The rates are really good.
Yeah, and this is
Actually.
like just you'll find in Goa.
This will only be found in Goa. Guys, Doab is another whiskey if you like single malt. 3,150 only in Goa. And I would say only including this shop. Please come to the shop and buy. Rest, I think they have more. What is this? This looks very good.
It's a fireball.
Fireball. Fireball is, I think, regular, right?
Yeah.
What about this here?
It's a total.
Stoner. Guys, if you all see, this is so funky. Stoner whiskey, Banana Bliss. This is Goan or
Yeah.
local?
Yeah.
And how much would this cost?
So cost it's like 1320.
1350?
20.
1,320
Yeah,
rupees.
yeah.
Guys, are you all listening? 1,320. Aryan, this is a joke. You're getting whiskey so cheap here. I can't believe it. That's really crazy. So these are all the whiskeys. And your fast selling whiskeys would be?
Regular the one like Johnny Walker, you know.
Which are all here.
Yeah.
Okay. So Diwar is also a very good Scotch whiskey.
Yeah.
Right? 2,500. Again, 2,500 for Diwar. It's amazing, and this is again 8 years old. It's a beautiful whiskey, guys. If you see, all their Diwar whiskies are right here. They're costing 4,000, 7,500, 18 years, 15 years, 4,000. These are all good. Blue Label is costing you 18,000, but this is vintage
It's like a premium.
premium version. This is 25 years of Diwar, 24,000. So these are all pretty cool, yeah. Oh right. Okay, nice. Nice. Bro, what about Jack Daniels and all? You'll have bourbons, right? These are all your. These are all your. Okay.
Yeah, Jack Daniels over here, like these are all the flavors.
Yeah. A lot of people buy Jack Daniels, right, bro?
Yeah, yeah.
So like this will be your normal regular Jack Daniels
Yeah,
that
it's
sells.
regular, but
And how much would this cost, bro?
3,200.
3,200.
Yeah.
3,200. And what about the honey? Tennessee honey?
All flavors are like same price.
Same price.
Yeah.
All the flavors are same
Yeah.
price, guys. All the flavors are same price, which is 3,200. The MRPs are right here, guys. So even if they can't make it up, they are all tagged every bottle single-handedly here. Jim Beam is also a beautiful bourbon, actually. This is Jim Beam Black
Yeah, it's
Extra.
extra. It's a
Aged, if you see, it's 4,170, but this is a beautiful whiskey.
So these are the
These are all the other Jim Beams actually here. This is a bourbon, which is 2,080. Jim Beam Orange 3,200, and Jim Beam Honey 3,200. Bro, I think once the customers know your shop by the end of the video, they'll definitely want to see where is this and they want to come and pick it up for sure.
you can just show this bottle.
Okay, makers.
It's a
Makers
maker
mark.
mark.
Okay.
So like say with the bourbon whiskey, and it's like the made over here.
Okay.
The candle, the handmade candle.
Oh, this is a handmade candle
It's
waxed
a-
on it.
Yeah, it's a wax.
Oh, guys, this is for 5,360 rupees.
And the bottle
Makers
is
mark
just
whiskey.
only known for this wax. It's a
And the
handmade
bottle is
wax.
only known for this particular wax. This is actual wax that is actually dripping on this and
It's a
sealed.
All
Handmade.
bottles are handmade.
All bottles are handmade as well. So guys, if you all want something for your bar, that's something really good to keep. And these are all the other whiskeys
Yeah.
which are here. These are the Japanese whiskeys, bro.
Yeah. It's all
Okay, Toki I know.
Okay, like mom.
Yeah. 4,000 bucks, 4,000 rupees again. Toki guys, whiskey, 750 ml. The other whiskies are also close to around 4,985, 5,000 rupees in that range. And then of course the Japanese whiskey are more on the high price depending on the age and everything. Okay, that's a lot of information, Aryan, that you're giving. Aryan is showing us some premium whiskies, which are, yes, pricey, but guys, affordable as well because you're in Goa and you're buying them in 2026. So let's look at this one.
So Balvenie.
It is a Balvenie, which is
21
21, yes,
Yes.
21 years. Okay, awesome. And how much will this cost us?
54,000.
54,000. Again, guys, premium for those who are above the pay grade. They can always come and explore. What about Glen
It's
Fiddick?
Glenfiddich 29 inch.
Wow.
And this is for 1,75,000.
1,75,000. Guys, this is for 1,75,000. If you all need to sell your bike and buy this, please do. But no, I'm just kidding. Guys, these are really premium whiskies. If you look, these are all Glenfiddich whiskies, which are all premium.
Glenfiddich collection.
And these are the Balvenie whiskies, which are again in that same range.
Yeah, no, but this is like it's a 12-year age.
This is 12 years.
So it's for 8,640.
8,640. So
Yeah.
it is affordable.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, if people want to try, this is affordable. Okay, not bad. Okay, fine. Fine. All right. What else, bro?
Even without Glenfiddich.
Okay, this is the one that we
26 age.
26. Okay.
For 77,000.
This is for 77,000. And then you have Grants and all. These are all whiskies, right?
Yeah, it's all.
Okay, these again are all
It's all like
different.
affordable. It's all. It's all
Affordable whiskeys.
affordable price only.
Okay.
So this for the for 7,000.
For 7,000. Okay. But these are all premium whiskies. That's why it's kept separately.
No, they like they gave a branding.
Okay,
They
okay.
kept it.
Fine. Fair enough.
So it's no, it's not 7,000. It's the 1,000. Sorry, it's the 1,600.
1,600 for Grants.
Yeah.
Guys, again, 1,600 for Grants whiskey. If you all want to try this particular whiskey out, you all can try it again. I'll reveal the store in the end of the video. Again, these are all the gins.
Yeah, these are
Monkey Shoulder. I have seen this
The
before.
common one.
It's a very premium but common one. Monkey Shoulder. How much will this cost?
3785.
3,785 from Monkey Shoulder. Guys, if you all want to buy whiskey, please do come here. Premium, local, everything is what you get. And Aryan is the guy that you'll need to meet when you all come. Okay guys, what you're looking at right now is actually the Feni of Goa. Aryan will tell us. These are all for 200 rupees.
Yeah.
Actually, and these are not miniatures, but they are proper. How much? 200 ml?
800. This is 90 ml.
90 ml?
90 ml, so 180 ml.
180 ml, and this is for 200 rupees. Guys, this is a coffee flavor Feni. I'm going to buy this right now from the store, but it's for 200 rupees. So please come down here and immediately buy these Fenis, guys. This is just amazing. And then they have a variety of different Fenis as well here. For 200 rupees, it's good, yeah. So Aryan, you're going to show us something about some cocktail. What is this, Mr. Jerry's?
It's a local Goan cocktail.
Okay,
So it's like all the like separate base like gin, vodka, rum,
right.
base cocktail.
So they can have this directly.
Yeah, if you can directly have it, like you can just chill it and have it. Or someone who don't like high alcohol percentage,
Right.
you can just dilute it with like soda, coke.
So these are different flavors, bro.
Yeah, it's a gin based cocktail. It's a rum.
Gin based cocktail. So guys, again, if you like gin, this is a gin based cocktail. And how much would this cost, bro?
120.
120 only. 120 rupees, guys. Not pounds, not dollars, just rupees.
There's a
And these are the big
600
bottles as well, 600 ml.
So
And
500 ml, 600 rupees.
600 rupees, 500 ml, 600 rupees. Okay, not bad, yeah. And then, what about these? Now, these are your regular sizes for.
Yeah.
These are quarters. These are less than quarters.
These are quarters.
These are quarters. And how much the quarters would cost for a Jim Beam?
Jim Beam for 480 I guess.
480, 500,
Yeah.
500. And Valentines?
480.
480 for a quarter.
Yeah.
That is very cheap. I will definitely tell these guys where I'm at right now. I'm not telling them now, but this is very cheap for 480 rupees. Okay, not bad. This is really not bad. And what about Shiva's Regal?
It's like
This will be expensive.
875.
Yes, this Shivas will be a little bit expensive, but yes, absolutely, guys. They are totally loaded with whatever you all need. Look at the store; it's crazy. And then I have Aryan here. He's showing me around. He's the best guy here so far. Okay, and then there are a lot of beers. Corona is just the tagline here, but you have so many beers here that you all can buy. So, bro, which is the cheapest beer that a customer would want to pick up? Cheapest Tuborg?
First man like the Tuborg Kingfisher that.
Tuborg.
Yeah.
Tuborg. How much is that?
65.
60?
Five.
65 रुपीज़ में बियर गाइस तुम लोगों को दारू पीना है 65 रुपीज़ एकदम बियर मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे तो इट्स वेरी गुड यार एंड देन दीज आर द डिफरेंट वंस द 8 Eddie Finger and all
It's a local brand.
it's a local brand
It's like people like the one of the famous.
right I think this is 120 or 110
Sorry, it's 90 rupees.
90
Yeah.
that is 90 rupees guys that is actually one of the
Famous beers.
famous beers first I think they used to make Kings येतले पहिले
Yeah, still they are making it over
See,
here.
so this was actually the first
But now they have made a conic.
Conic,
Yeah,
okay,
before they
okay.
were like in a partnership, now they are just separated.
Bro, that was 20 rupees. I still have that. 20 or 30 rupees. Local beer
Oh,
the.
okay, but that time.
Tenna. But these are all the beers, guys, that they have. If you look, you can come. The prices are completely fixed. You can't negotiate any prices here. So these are all the beer sections. And this is more like it, guys. There's lots more to explore, but I don't want to take Aryan's time. Again, do like and subscribe. I still will show you all which store is this. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned and do like and subscribe.